So I had a situation at C Star. Me and my boyfriend got in an argument because he found out that my manager, messaged me asking how I was 6 months ago, and he he punched me in the face, and I fell backwards.
This guy is from Aruba. Where you
Correct.
met him?
So he's from Aruba. His name is Andres Gomes. He works for Super Limo. I met him on Instagram, but we have mutual friends. So we've been together for a year now.
Right
And
here.
we
So
were
I met.
and we're planning, like I was planning to move there as well.
Okay, so I imagine you visit Aruba frequently.
Correct, about 8 times. So I asked him to leave. I don't want to do this anymore. Well, before this, we had a year anniversary, so I had balloons with our pictures set up when he walked in, and then I pulled them down. I said, "You don't deserve this." And then he choked me actually first, and then I had a massage at the pool set up. So we went to get a massage at the pool. I said, "Let's just get a massage." And so after we got the massage, I just told him I can't do this anymore. Like, I don't deserve to get hit. I don't deserve to get choked. And then I asked him to leave. He was grabbing stuff leaving, and then he came back asking for his keys. He grabbed his keys, and then I pushed him and said, "Please, I can't do this anymore," because he wanted to stay. And that's when he turned around and punched me really hard. I fell to the ground.
Okay. You went to the police?
Yep, I called the police station. They came and got me. They wanted me to go to the hospital. I went to the hospital. The next day, I did go to the police station to make a report because I don't think anyone should get hit like that. And as of now, I know I'm the second person that he did hit.
So he's not a first offender, I imagine.
Correct. I did go back and I did do the report, but I keep calling them to send them the video, and they keep giving me the runaround. I try sending an email. I asked for email, nothing. I called 3 days in a row, so they're not really doing much for me.
What message do you have for the people of Aruba and also the police of Aruba who see in this video?
You guys have to do something about it. Like, it's not okay for people to get hit and nothing happens to them, because a punch can kill somebody. Like, I hit my head in the back of the couch, and he just walked away like nothing. The video is him punching me, saying something, and then walking away like nothing. Like you're a piece of shit after everything for a year.
What about him? You said he works here, he lives here. What do you know about him?
So his name is Andres Gomes. Like I said, his name is Andres Gomes. He works at Super Limo, and he puts out that he's a nice person until he gets mad. The thing is, once you get mad, that's it. Like, he doesn't care who anyone is.
Okay, what final message do you have today before we close the interview?
That's not okay for domestic abuse or emotional nothing. Like, people have to stand up for each other, especially in a small island like that everyone knows each other. And then just covering stuff up is not gonna help each other.